Today, we're breaking down the water cycle and how human activity is reshaping it. The water cycle is Earth's long-running water circulation system. The water that falls as rain, flows in rivers, or fills our homes has been moving through this cycle for billions of years. It's usually stable, but human activity is now affecting where water moves, how quickly it moves, and what condition it's in when it gets there. The water cycle constantly transfers water between the oceans, the land, and the atmosphere. The sun fuels this whole process by warming surface water and causing evaporation. This movement controls weather and climate, keeps ecosystems functioning, and supplies almost all of the fresh water people rely on. Without it working properly, Earth's climate and life systems would be completely different. Evaporation happens when water absorbs heat and turns into vapor. Most atmospheric moisture comes from the oceans, and this heat transfer plays a major role in global weather. As water vapor rises and cools, it turns into droplets that form clouds. This process releases energy that helps drive storms and other large weather systems. When the droplets grow heavy, they fall as rain or snow. This is the main way fresh water returns to the land, refilling lakes, rivers, soils, and groundwater. One path for water is infiltration, when water soaks into the pervious ground and recharges aquifers. But what doesn't become groundwater is left to impervious earth and becomes runoff, another path, and eventually flows back to the ocean. In natural areas, much of the rainfall absorbs into the soil, but in cities, pavements block infiltration. Runoff then races across surfaces, picking up fertilizer, oil, trash, and chemicals. Because storm drains usually empty straight into streams, this pollution harms aquatic life and fuels algae blooms, which disrupt the water cycle by blocking sunlight, letting off greenhouse gases, and lowering the pH of water. As the water cycle shifts, the effects add up quickly. Warmer temperatures increase evaporation, and warmer air holds more water, leading to stronger storms. Across much of the U.S., the most intense rainfall events have grown significantly heavier over the past several decades, especially here in the Midwest, which increases flooding, erosion, and polluted runoff. At the same time, glaciers and snowpacks are shrinking, reducing long-term freshwater storage. Many regions are also experiencing worse droughts as changes in evaporation and precipitation throw the cycle off balance. The water cycle is deeply interconnected, and even small changes have major consequences. Protecting natural areas, improving city design, and reducing pollution all help keep the cycle stable, and understanding the system is just the first step towards protecting it.